Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to search YouTube videos by specific dates or time range, today's video, let's learn how we can do it. So first thing first, open your browser, and once you see Google here, type in site:/youtube.com and simply enter your keyword. In my case, the keyword is cooking, but in your case, it might be cars or even playing a video. So type in site:/youtube.com and your keywords, then enter. Once you do so, you will see various YouTube videos, but here is the workaround that you should do. Here below search button, you will see tools. Open your tools. You will see anytime, all results, advanced search. You have to click on this anytime button and see if the video was uploaded last year, if you remember it, or more importantly, click on custom range. As you do that, you will be able to see from or to. Type in your specific date and type in the specific date into section where you think the video was uploaded. Click on go. And likewise, it will show you all the video that was uploaded related with the word cooking between May 24 and May 29 in 2025. And likewise, you can also click on advanced search and include all these keywords and edit all these formats, which will help you find the specific videos. So thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.